Where are we?
Where are we at? Where are we at?
I don't know.
Where are we right now?
At this.
Oh my gosh, of course. The one time we try to get them to sing. Is this our hotel? They keep calling this place our house, even though it's our hotel. We don't live here.
Yeah, we do. Yes, we do.
We don't live here.
Yes, we do.
What, just because we stay here for 2 nights?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's our new house.
Yeah.
We have a new house. I mean, if we can afford a hotel as a house.
Right.
No, ours is right here. Ours is 322.
Oh, dang. I didn't know.
Yep, and we came home to nice new clean sheets and clean
I don't
bed.
know what you're talking about clean, girl.
Why?
They just put the shit in between.
Oh, they did, because what's that? Is that syrup?
Yeah.
Shovel. That's great. And you're gonna dip me, boys.
Oh.
Mama, here.
The fog is back. I'm so mad. It was the Wiener Schnitzel bus, or Oscar Mayer Wiener bus. It just drove by. I caught it on camera. I was trying to show, I wanted to show the fog before we left. But we had to leave the beach because Creed had to poop. The fog was so bad you couldn't even see anything.
Cheers, everyone.
No, I was playing in that pool. I was playing in that pool, baby.
But we came back to the hotel. Actually, we took a dip in the pool. There's the pool.
You can tell they redid that section first.
Right there.
That's
There's the pool.
Section. You see the newer section?
Mm-hmm. So we dipped in the pool because there was so much sand. And now we're back at the hotel and we are going to get baths and go to the Rainforest Cafe to eat. They've never been. Even Cody. He just said that he's never been to the Rainforest Cafe. Are y'all finished with your snack? Because your bath is ready. Alright, you said you were going to go bathe them?
No, I said you bathe them and I'll get them dressed while you shower.
Later.
Ow! We're ready. We took a bath. Not together. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we took our showers. They're all clean.
They're ready to go. Creed, you ready?
They got matching shoes like mommy, except mommy's not wearing hers because mommies are nasty and filthy and dirty and smelly. Because these are nicer. I know, baby. But look, y'all's are brand new. Mommy's are dirties.
Oh, mine is almost dirty.
Hers are not almost dirty.
Look.
All right, let's go eat. We're going to the Rainforest Cafe.
Rainforest Cafe.
It's gonna be fun. They've never been. Even the truck is misty and wet. And then just look at, I've never been here with it this foggy before. Literally the million times I've been to Galveston, it has never been this foggy.
Why
Ever.
not?
You can't even see the ocean.
Why?
And it's only about 100 yards that way.
Yeah. Like that just tells you how foggy it is. You can't even see the water.
And you can't see which way.
No, I can't even see the waves. I see a couple people now. Look, yeah, you can barely even see those people.
Yeah.
Can you imagine being out there?
No.
No. They're crazy.
You're crazy.
You're just gonna
You're just
repeat
gonna
everything
repeat
I
it.
say?
And the camera's actually doing its diligence. Like,
Yeah. Actually, yeah, you can see better on the camera than you can see.
Look at that top.
Look at the volcano. Ready? It's about to go out. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Whoa! Someone. You
Oh
s-
my goodness.
oh my goodness, did you see that volcano? They also have a ride here. We're gonna see if we can eat and ride. They close at 9:30 and it's about to be 8, so hopefully we can squeeze everything in real quick. Daddy, he said I wanted to take it. Look, listen, the storm's coming. The storm's coming. Creed, let me see what you get. A frog. I like this frog. He's pretty. Cody, don't terrorize him.
Look at him. He's okay. Look at him. Look at him. It's fine. Look. Look at him.
Just like it.
No.
Oh, don't come to me.
Look, he's coming down to see you.
Cody. You want to go see the snake? Poor Creed. He's been so tormented today. Oh, Daddy, the spiders are behind you.
Look at snake. I told you. Creed, look at the snake. Creed.
Look, it's looking right at Mama.
Look at it.
Doesn't like it, baby.
Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes.
Cody, stop. It's okay, baby. Did you like the snake? You okay, Creed? Oh, look at the zebras. But look at that giraffe.
Look, the gorillas.
Ooh, that's cold on my...
Oh, hey, hey, the alligator.
Alligator. Look at the elephants. There's the alligator.
Look, look, he's moving. He's alive. This place is awesome.
Yeah. Baby elephants. Say hi, babies. Hi, babies. Oh.
Look at the lion.
That's a tiger.
I was like, what's he
Look at that one.
Woo!
That's what he gets for making fun of Creed. Oh yeah.
So you gotta stop.
Oh dang.
See, look, look. There's worms in there. They're all in there. Look here.
You got worms in your dirt?
Look.
When it's coming out.
Look, eat the dirt. See,
No, not dirt.
What is
It's cookies.
it's like Oreos.
This is too realistic for him. He doesn't like this kind of stuff.
know what's going on. in his
He would not have liked Riker's.
Ready?
it?
Look.
Mud.
You want it? Look. Let me eat some dirt and mud. Yuck. No, it's good.
Riker's digging in and chowing down.
I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat your whole cake. Okay, eat the worm. He's like, I'm gonna get the dirt off of this. Here,
It's
go like this.
not real.
Here.
Oh my god. Seriously? How is it, Riker? He won't even look at me. Maybe that's why he won't look at me.
Good.
Yeah, look at your face. Mm-hmm. Okay, finish eating, because we gotta go.
The next day.